Hey guys, we're going to learn how to use changing tens to help with our subtraction. So I've got this little story. I've got $96 in my wallet. $97 in my wallet. Jack does a job for me and I have to pay him $26. To help me solve this, I'm just going to do this strategy. I'm going to take my 97 and I'm going to take off that $20. I know that 97 take away 20 will give me $77. So I hand Jack $20 and now I still need to pay him $6. I take my 77 and then I take off the $6 and that gives me $71 in my wallet. When we're subtracting, we can just take the tens off and then the ones. And we keep our first number whole. Let's try another one. If I have $56 in my wallet and someone does a job for me and I need to pay them $23, I just take the 20, I pay them 20, so 56, and I take off the 20, and then I get 36. I still need to pay him $3, so 36, and I take off the $3, leaves me with $33 in my wallet. I keep the first number whole, no splitting. I pay him the $20 and then I pay him the $3. Now it's your turn.